Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. The obstacle is the path. Pressure creates diamonds. It's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it. The oak fought the wind and was broken. The willow bent when it must and survived. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Adversity introduces a person to themselves. Scars are just proof of the battles you've won. Sometimes you have to fall before you can fly. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Resilience is knowing that you are the only one that has the power and the responsibility to pick yourself up. The wound is where the light enters you. The goal isn't to live forever. The goal is to create something that will. A life is not important except in the impact it has on other lives. I've learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Plant trees under whose shade you do not plan to sit. The legacy of heroes is the memory of a great name and the inheritance of a great example. What you leave behind is not what is engraved in stone monuments, but what is woven into the lives of others. The great use of life is to spend it for something that will outlast it. To the world you may be one person, but to one person you may be the world. Live so that when your children think of fairness, caring, and integrity, they think of you. Carve your name on hearts, not tombstones. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. It's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it. The oak fought the wind and was broken. The willow bent when it must and survived. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. The obstacle is the path. Pressure creates diamonds. It's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it.